friends, I'm Pujita from FX St. Francis Xavier Anglo-Indian High Secondary School. I'm also a student in Junior IAS Academy. Today we are going to see the lesson about air. Air is a mixture of all gases that are survival or planet Earth. It is essential for all the survival of the all living things. Air contains 78% 78.09% of nitrogen, 20.95% of oxygen, 0.93% of argon, 0.04% of carbon dioxide, and small amount of that all gases. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants in turn use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and release oxygen into the atmosphere. Since men have been cutting trees down for their needs, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere are increasing. This is responsible for the raising of atmosphere temperature. Industries and vehicle release gas like carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide into an atmosphere. This has result like a global warming, acid rain, global warming, acid rain, which is affect in our many ways. In total, the quantity of air is gone in the modern days. In this lesson, we are going to study about like greenhouse effect, global warming, acid rain. We'll also study about occurrence and properties of the gas, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. First, we will see about oxygen. Oxygen, all living things in the world need oxygen. We can't imagine the world without oxygen. Swedish chemistry C.W. Skelos first discovered oxygen in 1772. He was called as the gas fire of the ritual life because it was supported by the processing of burning. Next, we are going to see about occurrence of the oxygen. Oxygen is the most abundant element on the earth by the mass in the third most abundant element after hydrogen and helium in the universe. It occurs both in the free state in the combined state. It is present in free state of diatonic molecule in the atmosphere. Next, we are going to see about physical properties of oxygen. Oxygen is a colorless and odorless, tasteless gas. It is poor conductor of heat, electricity. Oxygen dissolves reality in cold water. Do you know oxygen is about to 2 times soluble in water than nitrogen? If we add the same solubility in nitrogen, then less oxygen would be present in sea, lakes, rivers will make our life much more difficulty for living organisms. Chemical properties of oxygen. Combustibility. Combustibility. Oxygen is a non-combustibility gas as it is not burned on its own, but it supports the com- combustion of other gases of other substances. Reaction with metals. Oxygen reacts with the metals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, aluminium, iron, etc. From their corresponding metal oxygen with a general basic in natural, but metals differ in their reactive toward oxygen. Reaction with nonmetals. Oxygen reacts with the various nonmetals like hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. Give the current corresponding nonmetal oxygen, which are generally as acid in nature. Reaction of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons compounds containing C and H react with oxygen to form and compound dioxide and a water vapor. Example wood, petrol, diesel, LPG, etc. Rusting. The process of conversion of iron into an hydrate form of oxide in the air and moisturize is called as rusting. Rusting is a hydrate ferric oxide. Uses of oxygen. It is used of oxalate cylinder for cutting and welding metals. It is used for remove carbon impurities from the steel. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most important element in animals, plants needed nitrogen there for growth. All living organisms, including us, contain nitrogen. It is essential for element present in proteins, nucleic acids, which are building blocks. All things. It was first isolated from the air by the Danfield Rutherford in 1772. The name nitrogen is derived from the Greek word nitro and gene. The meaning of the products nitro is a nitropotassium nitrate compound of nitrogen. Uses of nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is used for refrigerating. It provides an atmosphere for conducting certain chemicals reactions. It is used for filling the space of mercury in high temperature thermometer. Many explosives such as TNT, nitroglycerin, and gunpowder contain nitrogen. Nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen get circulated in the air, soil, and living things as the element itself in the form of compounds. Just they are circulating of a carbon in a natural so as there is the circulation of nitrogen. Next, we are going to see about carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a chemical compound in which one carbon or two carbon atoms are bound together. It is at the room temperature. It is represented by the formula CO2. It is found in the Earth atmosphere and is sent back and solar energy when it is reflected by the Earth to make it possible for living organisms to survive. When the carbon dioxide accumulates more at the atmosphere, products harmful effects. Physical properties of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a colorless odor gas. It is heavier than air. It does not support combustion. It is fairly soluble in water, turns into limits slightly red, so it is an acidic in nature. Uses of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used to prepare soft drinks and accidents. It is used for fire extinguishing. It is used for manufacturing of sodium carbonate by following this process. Next, we are going to see about greenhouse effect of global warming. The solar radiation is absorbed by the surface of the land, ocean, and is turned into release infrared radiation or a heat into the atmosphere. Certain gases like molecules are present in the earth atmosphere and absorb infrared, the rays that radiate the heat in all directions. Hence these gases maintain the temperature of the earth's surface. The gases which are absorbed as radius are called greenhouse gases, and this effect can be called greenhouse effects of global warming. The following effects are the global warming are melting of ice cap galleries, increase of frequency of flood, soil erosion, and unseasonally rains, spreading of waterborne and insect-borne diseases, and etc. Prevent of measures. In order to save Earth, it is so we can take the certain measures. Some of the measures are given below. Reducing in the use of fossil fuels, controlling deforestation, plant more trees, reusing and recycling, and don't use plastics. Acid rain. Rain is actually present in the purest form of water. However, the pollutants such as oxides, nitrogen, and sulfur in the air is released by the fractures. factories, burning fossils and fuels, eruption of the volcanoes, and etc. Effects of acid rain. Acid rain can be affect us in many ways. Some of the consequences are below. It is change of fertility of the soil and destroys plants in aquatic life. It is causes corrosion of many buildings, bridges, and etc. Preventing measures. Acid rain is effective can be controlled by these following ways: using CNG, compromise natural gas, using non-conventional source of energy, proper disposal industrial wastes. Thank you, sir, and thank you, friends, for watching this video.